everybody, I'm Celine in Singapore. I'm here in DFS, the duty-free Singapore. Ayan, Galleria, DFS. I'm here waiting for my dear friend Jasper. Because we're gonna have some coffee tonight. I haven't seen him for 8 years now, so excited ako to see him. I'm just waiting here. Sa kanya, because he sent a message and then he wants to take some coffee. So yun, maybe we have to catch up. Kaya sa mga KKP dyan, gonna see Kuya Jasper here in Singapore. Yun lang. I'm just waiting for him. Maybe he's stuck in the traffic. Maybe he came all the way from work. So yun, ako naman walang ginawa ko. It's my time off. So wait na lang ako sa kanya, di ba? So yun lang guys. I'm still here. See you later. Bye-bye. I'm still in Singapore. Bye.